Something arrived today. Wonder what it is. It's a Jackery. Gotta have one of these. Good for the backyard. Going to the boat. Quite lightweight. Pretty cool. Gnarly weight. I paid for this. This is not a sponsored product. Pop that. Fresh out of the box. Little bag with, I expect, some cables and plugs. Nice. There she is. Fresh out of the box. This is a Jackery 240. Couple USBs. 12 volt. Alternating current. Input. Very good. Lightweight. Able to carry that around anywhere. I would think there is no power. Showing 35%. That's cool. We'll get her plugged in. Yeah. Let's see what's in here. Okay. That's for the 12 volt plug-in. Yeah. And this is the plug for the wall. Easy done. Easy to do. Let's get her plugged in. There we go. So I suppose it's just input, of course, easy enough. Power on. 35%. Some light. Okay, she's pushing 19 watts by the look of it. Take this plastic off. Read the. Okay. That says 39 watts, 2 watts. Gonna have to take a while to plug, get her up there. Well, I'll let her charge. We can wait for that. Also, there's another package over here. I wonder what's in this box. Let's have a look. Maybe this side up. Yeah. Box inside of a box. Oh my. Well packed up. And I guess maybe we should open it from the top. This is what it is. It's a 100-watt system. Solar panel. The Jackery. There she be, boys. And for boondocking, she folds out. Good job doing this one-handed. Paperwork. User guide. It's handy. Sega 100. 100 amps. So we'll be able to take this outside on one sunny day. And we'll see what we can draw from outside versus the AC current. That's the way she goes. She folds out. And I guess, yeah, it stands up. And there's Velcros. Stand her up on. So she goes. Sits like that and makes power. Yeah. So we'll get outside with this after we charge that a bit. And then okay. Let's see what she does, how she makes it. 35, she's up 1% already. 35 to 36. She's inputting 39 watts. The output is 2 watts, so I guess that's to operate the unit. Well, let's see how she goes. We're going to set her up outside in a bit, and we'll be right back at you.